Greetings, I still remain Akajugo. I want to pass a message about spiritual spouse separation and disagreement. I've been hearing people talk about spiritual spouse separation. People that when they are being disturbed by spiritual spouse, they go for separation, which is very, very wrong. I want you to know that you cannot separate yourself from your spiritual spouse. Any pastor, dibia, or priest advising you to go for spiritual spouse separation will end up causing you more troubles, because you end up making your troubles and problems worse. Now, when I mean spiritual spouse, I mean spiritual husband and wife. When you try to separate yourself from them, it gets things difficult for you, because it will end up provoking the spirit being. And when that spirit is provoked, your problems becomes worse. For those that are being disturbed by spiritual spouse, people that their spiritual spouse have caused them setbacks, bad lucks, disappointments, failures, blessings, you don't go separating yourself from them or disengaging yourself from them. What you should do is first appease this spirit being, because the spirit has been angry for a very long time, because you fail to keep your own parts of the agreement you made before coming to earth. Then, in front of Mother Earth, you have to make agreements with your spiritual spouse. Inform your spiritual spouse of a day, a market day, you will be venerating and honoring him or her. That day that you will bring out to honor him or her, you are to stay off sex. You are to abstain from sex on that day. And that is the day you are to venerate and honor that your spiritual spouse. When you do this, you go to Mother Earth and seal the agreement. This is mostly done by spiritualists. A spiritualist that knows about spiritual spouse appeasement and agreement can help you with this ritual. Note, spiritual spouse agreement is not done on the river. It is done in front of Mother Earth. We'll be stopping here for now. More episodes about spiritual spouse agreement will be coming up. Stay tuned. I still remain Akajugo. Thank you.